Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we will learn that how to make ta form of Japanese verbs. We have already learned that how to make dictionary form, how to make te form, but today we will learn how to make ta form. We all know that verbs are divided into three groups, which are group third, group second and group first. For more details, I'll drop the link in description of Japanese verbs. So let's come to the group third. We all know that there are only two verbs come in group third. You guys can take a snapshot as well. First one is shimasu and second one is kimasu. So guys, for shimasu and kimasu, dictionary form, te form and ta form, all the forms are fixed. Shimasu means to do and dictionary form of shimasu would be suru, written in Romaji as well. Te form of shimasu would be shite and ta form of shimasu would be shita. Same as it is kimasu. Kimasu means to come. Dictionary form of kimasu would be kuru and te form of kimasu would be kite and ta form of kimasu would be kita. Kita. So now let's come to group second. To make the ta form of group second verbs, we'll have to do one thing. We'll have to replace the MASU with ta. MASU will be replaced with ta. Or if we know that how to make te form, I'll drop the link in description for that. Then we will have to replace the te with ta. One more simple, replace te of te form with ta. Let's take a look on some examples. First example is tabemasu, written in Romaji as well. I'll highlight the Romaji one. Tabemasu means to eat. Dictionary form of tabemasu would be taberu. I'll drop the link in description for that how to make dictionary form. Te form of tabemasu would be tabete and ta form of tabemasu would be tabeta. Here we can say that we have replaced MASU with ta or te. This MASU is replaced with ta if we are making from MASU form to ta form, and if we are making from te form to ta form, then we will replace this te with this ta. Let's have a look on one more example. Mimasu. Mimasu means to see, to look. Dictionary form of mimasu would be miru. Te form of mimasu would be mite, and ta form of mimasu would be mita. So if we are making from MASU form, then we will replace this MASU with this ta. And if we are making from te form, then we will replace this te with this ta. And our final example is abimasu. This is an exception. You guys will have to watch the video of verbs of Japanese verbs. I'll drop the link in description. Abimasu is an exception because it looks like group first verb. Abimasu means to take. Dictionary form of abimasu would be abiru. Te form of abimasu would be abite and ta form of abimasu would be abita. Same thing here. If we are making ta from MASU form, then we will replace this MASU with this ta, and if we are making ta form from te form, then we will replace this te with this ta. Now let's move to the group first. It's a little bit complicated. You guys will have to focus on it. Group first. ta form will be according to dictionary form or te form. I'll explain with examples. You guys can take snapshot of all these things. Verbs which are having u, su and ru at the end after changing in dictionary form will change with ta. Let me take you guys to an example. Here we have a verb kaimas. Kaimas means to buy. So dictionary form of kaimas would be cow. So cow is having this u at the end, then this would be changed with ta. So ta form of kaimas would be katta and te form is katte. If you guys want to know how to make te form, then you will have to watch the other video. I'll drop the link in description. Same as machimas. Machimas means to hold, to carry. Dictionary form of machimas would be matsu, desu. So ta form would be matta and te form would be matte. Let's move to our next example. Here is kairimas. Kairimas means to return home and dictionary form of kairimas would be kairu. So this ru would be changed with ta and ta form of kairimas would be kaita, written in Romazi as well, and te form is kaite. Verbs of dictionary form verbs which are having at the end nu, bu and mu, written in Romazi as well, will change with nda. Like shinimas. Shinimas means to die. Dictionary form of would be shinimas is shinu. So nu will change with da and ta form would be shinda and te form is shinde. Next one is manabimas. Manabimas means to study. Manabimas, to study. Dictionary form of manabimas would be manabu. So this bu would be changed with nda. So ta form of manabimas would be mananda and te form would be manande. And next one is yomimas. Yomimas means to read. Here is yomimas. Yomimas means to read. Dictionary form of yomimas would be yomu. So this mo would be changed with unda. So ta form of yomimas would be yonda and te form would be yonde. Verbs, dictionary form verbs which are having su at the end will change with shita, like hanashimas. Hanashimas means to speak. Dictionary form of hanashimas would be hanasu and this su will be changed with shita. So ta form of hanashimas would be hanashita and te form would be hanashite. Verbs which are having ku at the end will change with ita, like kakimas. Kakimas means to draw, to write. Dictionary form would be kaku. This ko would change with ita, so ta form would be kaita. Kaita and te form would be kaite. And verbs which are having gu at the end will change with ida. Gu, at the end will change with ida. Let's have a look on an example. It's oyogimasu. Oyogimasu means to swim. Oyogimasu means to swim. Dictionary form would be oyogu. Ku will change with ida. So oyoida is the ta form and oyoide is the te form. So guys, this was the video of how to make ta form. I hope you guys have understood. Then please drop your comments in comment box. To like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Jamata. Arigatou gozaimasu.